The season has begun. That means I gotta clean up the hillbilly boiler. Now this rig is about as pretty as a pig with lipstick on, but it works pretty well considering what it is. And it's ironically made from the old furnace that we replaced in our house when we moved in. And now it's time to make nature's liquid gold maple syrup. There's some water just to help clean and disinfect the pans before we put the sap in. Fire's just getting going here. They're really bubbling, which is good. That's what we want. We want that water to boil off quickly.